Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are checking out Springhill Suites by Marriott in Sioux Falls. So this is located in 4304 West Empire Place, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Now let's go check the room. There's no on. No, the lights are on. The lights. It's clean. It's clean. Oh, it's all for the oldies. Oh, that's it. This is our bathroom. Ta-da! Where's the It's a big bathroom because it's for a cup. It smells a little. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys. Tomorrow.
Yes.
Chocolate. Oh, do you have a chocolate milk? So this hotel offers free breakfast and it seems like they have a few options. But most important, it looks clean. So this hotel was built in 2008 and was renovated in 2017. So it's been a while. Now it's 2026. It's like 10 years. As you guys can see, the pool looks a little old already. They haven't really renovated it to look like new. So, but it's decent. So you guys can check their pool out. Now we're checking their business center area where you guys can print. Now this is their gym area and they have a few of the equipments you can use when you guys stay here. So the average price for this is about 150 and the cheapest we found is like 100 and the most is 200. So check or book in advance. That's all for today. Hope this video helps you find the right hotel. Thanks for watching. Bye!